Pag-uusapan po natin yung means of verification, showing outstanding accomplishment, application of education, and appreciation of learning and development. Ano nga ba yung mga MOVs na dapat ilagay sa part na ito kapag po tayo ay nagpaparang, nag-apply for promotion? Kung nais nyo malaman, panoorin mo ang video ito. Tara! Good day everyone! Welcome back to Sir Fox Learning Channel. Kumusta po kayo? For today's video, pag-uusapan lamang po natin itong means of verification or MOVs showing outstanding accomplishment, application of education, and application of learning and development reckoned from the data last issuance of appointment. So, latest na appointment mo, yung mga outstanding accomplishments mo for that period of the latest appointment na meron ka. Alright? Application of education as well. So, madalas ay 0 points tayo dito. Dahil somehow walang nagpapaliwanag ano nga ba yung mga pwedeng ilagay sa part na to. Nasa letter K ito, dun sa kapag nagpaparang ka, nag-a-apply ka, nandito sa letter K sa mga requirements, yung others. Actually, nandun yung sa others. And I think ito rin po yung mga NCOI, non-observable classroom indicators. Alright? Sabi po dito sa na-research ko lang po ito, hindi po ito galing sa akin, na-research ko lang. Here are common means of verification for documents, accomplishment, education, and professional development typically requires for performance evaluation or promotion. So, ano yung mga MOV sa pwede mong ilagay po dito? Sineparate ko po itong dalawa. Ito po, application of education and application of learning development reckoned from the date at last issuance of appointment. Okay, are you ready now? So, outstanding accomplishment. Ano yung mga dapat mong ilagay sa part ng outstanding accomplishment? These are MOVs provide evidence of achievements that go beyond the standard duties and responsibilities of your position. So, ano ba yung pwede mo ilagay dyan? Sabi sa na-research ko, pwede mong iatas dyan yung awards and recognition, such as copies of certificates, plaques, or citation from official bodies, including DepEd, local government units, or other reputable organizations. Ayan, pwede mong i-attach dyan sa outstanding accomplishment. So ano yung mga proof of innovation? I mean, another thing is proof of innovation. Kung nakapag-innovate ka, ilagay mo yan dyan. Ano yung dapat mong i-attach? Narrative report detailing a new process, strategy, or instructional material you develop and implemented. Ayan, narrative report. Along with evidence of its positive impact. Example, improved test score, higher engagement. Ayan. So, innovation. Publish work sa mga researchers. Kung na-publish yung research mo, anong gagawin mo? I-attach mo dito, copies of your published research, articles, or books with proof of authorship. Ayan. And then, successfully completed projects. A project completion report or summary of a major project highlighting your role and positive outcomes. So, pwede mo ring attach dyan sa application of education. And then, community and extension services. Dapat may documentation. Ano may mga documentation na kailangan dyan? Photos, narrative report, certificates of appreciation of significance, community service, or outreach activities you led or participated in outside and regular school action. Ayan. So, yun po yung in terms of application of education. Another application of education, academic transcript of diploma, narrative report, project outputs. So, ayan, nakalagay naman po dyan kung ikaw ay may doctorate, master's degree, doctorate degree, pwede mo rin dyan i-attach. And then, application of learning and development. Madalas, 0 points din dito. Pero ano nga ba yung mga MOV sa kailangang dapat pala i-attach dyan? Sabi po dito, this MOV shows that you have put into practice the new skills and knowledge gained from seminar, training, and other professional development activities. You put into practice. Halimbawa, umattend ako ng inclusive education, in-apply ko yung inclusive education sa aking classroom. Naganap ako ng mga students na may under inclusivity tapos in-apply ko yung natutunan doon. Pero ano yung mga MOVs po dito? Certificates of participation and completion, copies of certificates from official training program, seminar, webinars, or workshop you attended. Example, from DepEd, private providers, and professional organizations. And then, narrative report with supporting evidence. A written report detailing a new skills you learned from specific training and how you applied in your classroom office. This should be supported with evidence like photos, videos. You implemented the new skills. Samples of new lesson or module created. Okay. Positive feedback. Ayan. And then training and development log, a logbook or journal documenting the training session attended key learners and specific instances of their application in your daily work. So, you know, yung mga basic na pwede mong i-attach sa letter K, yung others na may title po doon na application of learning and development, and then application of education. Ito mismo, means of verification showing outstanding accomplishment, application of education, and application of learning development record from the date of last issue 1. So, yun po. Kung meron po kayong mga MOVs, documents, pwede nyo pong i-attach doon kapag nagpaparang po kayo, nag-a-apply po kayo sa letter K. Doon sa promotion. I think ang basis po right now is DepEd Order number 20 series of 2024 and DepEd Order number 19 series of 2025. Yun lamang po. Sana po ay somehow nakatulong sa inyo lalo na yung mga gusto magparang itong lalo na ngayon nasa career progression na po tayo. Anytime from now, pwede na tayo magpasa ng papel. So, yun lamang po at huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Happy learning!